Well, if you want to start your YouTube channel, and especially if you are over 40, this is the video for you. In this video, I will talk how to start your YouTube channel from scratch and why you should start now. I know it is not easy to start your YouTube channel, especially when you are in your middle age, but you have big knowledge behind you, you have life experience, and that's why it is good to start your YouTube channel, because you can transfer your knowledge to people who are younger than you, who want some new things to know. You have such a big life experience, and if you think that nobody listened, there is always somebody that will listen. Well, I have been on YouTube now for more than 6 years, but only recently, about 1.5 years ago, I seriously started to record YouTube videos. What about my niche? I mostly do review videos, but I also did travel videos, even AI videos. I review cars, I review gadgets, everything, home appliances, everything that I buy or I get through affiliate program, I review that. I think my channel is pretty successful now. It has over 4,800 subscribers and is still growing. I try to do 2 long-form videos every week, sometimes even 3. And from that videos, I also made some shorts. You don't need to have some fancy equipment. Your mobile phone is enough. It is only enough that you can record HD videos or even better 4K videos, and that is pretty enough for beginning. Later, it is good to buy, I don't know, just some basic microphone like this DJI mini mic or some other kind of microphone, and then later upgrade to better camera, tripod, or anything. But in the beginning, only your mobile phone is pretty enough for recording videos. When you're just starting, the hardest thing is to start, but it's not so hard. You just need to press that record button and start recording. Every time you will be better and better. My first videos were very bad, but after some times I used to get better and better. Now I think I'm pretty good at speaking directly to camera. It's important that you are connected with your audience, that you look to your camera, and every time it is much easier. In the beginning it was hard, like everything, every job. You cannot expect to succeed on YouTube overnight. It is a hard work, it is a consistency like every other job. You just need to be patient. Nothing comes overnight. So just press that record button, record videos, and you will be every time better than before. In the beginning, if you don't have some specific niche, it is not a problem. Just record different types of videos and the niche will find you. You will see after some time what videos has best results, and then you can pick from that videos and pick your niche from them and continue to record videos on that topic. So mostly on my channel are review videos, maybe 70% of them, but I also do some travel videos. In the past, I also did some AI videos, but I don't do them anymore. And recently, I started to do videos about my YouTube journey to learn you people who are new on YouTube how to make YouTube videos. This is the one of that kind of videos. What is the most important thing on YouTube? The most important thing is that people click on your thumbnail. When they click on your thumbnail, they start to watch your video. They must watch at least 30 seconds of your videos to count as one view. The second most important thing is retention. that is the time how long people are watching your videos. If they just click your video and go away, YouTube won't recommend it far away. But if they stick and watch, I don't know, some larger percentage of your video, YouTube will recommend it to the other people. So retention is the one of the most important things on your video after click rate on your thumbnail. So first your thumbnail and title, and then your content. In the beginning, don't bother so much with your video quality. That will come later. Just record in normal HD quality or 4K if you can, and try to avoid low sunlight. Use natural sunlight if you don't have some dedicated lighting. I like to record my outdoor videos in the early morning with the first sunrise within the golden hour. I think that is the best time to record videos because colors are so vivid, so beautiful. So I use that first light morning to record my videos, and I think those videos are better than any kind of studio videos because the colors are so bright, so vivid, so beautiful. Also in the early morning there is no much people on this beautiful beach, so it is much easier to me to record my videos, and you can concentrate on making videos. If you are shy in front of large group of people, it is much easier to do videos like this when there is no much people on the beach. So when you have 40, maybe 50 years, I don't know, even after 30 years, you have so much life experience. You are maybe some, I don't know, carpenter, you may be some Pilates instructor, car mechanic, anything that you have on your mind, even doctor, even pilot. You can do videos about your occupation, and people love that. Even if you think who would like to see doctor videos, but a lot of people would like to see doctor advices, I don't know, any kind of videos like that. Or you can be some, I don't know, boxing trainer. A lot of people would like to learn boxing online, and you can help them with your videos. So just record videos, find the thing that you are passionate about, and it is so easy to make videos. I once learned something that if making this video is a game to you, but serious thing to other people, you are on the right way. So guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button. If you want, you can subscribe to my channel, and tell me if you want that I record another type of this video. Thank you one more time for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.